On behalf of IMRT, it is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you all here on the occasion of the launch of first one-year postgraduate program in metro and rail technology. Thank you for joining us today. Your presence here is not only a joyous celebration on this occasion, but an expression of your interest in positively impacting urban mass rapid transit sector, consequently having impact on overall economic development of India. Friends, in my lifetime alone, the world has expanded into different hemispheres with landings on moons and Mars. Technological advancements in transportation and communication have made the world shrink. Our cities welcome thousands of migrants who come looking for a better life from the rural hinterlands. The increasing urbanization brings with it several challenges. It has also placed tremendous stress on the cities and the urban transport sector. In the coming years, as India becomes more and more urbanized, urban areas will play a critical role in sustaining high rates of economic growth. But economic growth momentum can be sustained if and only if cities function efficiently, that their resources are used to maximize the city's contribution to the national income. City efficiency largely depends on the effectiveness of the transport system. The sector has received growing attention from the government and public, bringing the shortage of public transportation to the fore. In the interim, however, public transport still remains the primary mode of transport for most of the population, and India's public transport system, including railways, are among the most heavily used in the world. That we at Institute of Metro and Rail Technology have embarked on the right path of nation building through educating, training, and skilling the professionals. Our objective is to educate and train professionals at various levels through full-time programs for the fresh engineers, short-term programs for the working professionals in the sector, and part-time programs for the working professionals. IMRT will also emphasize on the research and development in metro and rail sector. We also had tie-up with the various global R&D organizations in this since inception. IMRT has been conducting successfully high-end programs for working professionals of industry stakeholders for the last 2 years. The response is been quite encouraging. Ladies and gentlemen, the program which being launched today by Honorable Minister Shri K.T. Rama Rao in the presence of various industry stakeholders is one-year postgraduate program in metro and rail technology for fresh graduates, offering a new stream to specialize, is designed and aimed to create new generation techno managers for the metro rail industry. The main objective of the program is to transform the student into industry-ready employees.